How to add and remove a page break in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add or remove a page break in MS Word. So first let's understand what a page break actually means. So as here you can see that in Microsoft Word, whenever you type towards the end of any particular page, you will automatically start typing from a new page. So this particular action is automatic in MS Word, but for some reason, if you want to control it or you want to determine yourself where the new page should begin, then you can use the page break feature. So let me show you how to add a page break. So consider this particular page for example, and let's say I want the page break to appear or happen just after this particular sentence, or in other words, I want this particular paragraph of the termination from the next page. So what I can do is simply move your cursor towards the end position, and then I will need to click onto this insert tab over the top left side ribbon. So once I will click onto this insert tab, you can see this third option under the pages that says page break, and the current page here and move to the next page. So simply click onto this page break button, and here you can see that the termination line has been moved to the new page and the page has been successfully ended into this particular line where I wanted it to be. So now we have learned how to add a page break, and now let me show you how you can remove a page break from your document in Microsoft Word. So in order to delete the page breaks, you need to first enable or show the paragraph marks. So let me show you how you can show the paragraph marks. So in order to do this, you need to click onto this home tab right here again. And once you're inside the home tab, you need to click onto this button right here that says show or hide. Show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. This is especially useful for advanced layout tasks. So simply click onto this show button, and here you can see this is the page break. So don't worry, it is not embedded into your document. It is just a representation which understands or which implies that this particular page break has been applied at this particular position. So in case you want to remove any page break, simply double click onto this page break and then you can press the delete or the backspace button. And that's how you can easily remove this page break. You can again click onto this hide button and your break will be successfully removed. So that's how easily you can remove or add a page break into your MS Word document. So that's all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.